Welcome to Tech Goods, the top portable camping toilets of 2026. Whether you are hiking, RVing, or enjoying a weekend in the wilderness, we have reviewed the most convenient, hygienic, and durable options for every adventurer. From compact designs to easy-to-clean models, we cover it all to make your outdoor experience stress-free. Check out our top picks and find the perfect fit for your trips. Links in the description. Number 5. The PAHTTO Portable Camping Toilet is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking comfort, convenience, and versatility during outdoor adventures. Designed with a higher and wider seat compared to typical round camping toilets, it provides a more comfortable experience for both adults and children. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, this toilet is sturdy, washable, and capable of supporting up to 400 pounds, making it a reliable option for a variety of users. Setup and portability are key advantages of this folding camping toilet. With only 7 side support sheets, it is easier to assemble and fold down in seconds, unlike many competing models that require 12. Its compact design, coupled with a waterproof storage bag, allows it to be conveniently packed into a backpack or vehicle without consuming much space. The toilet accommodates a 6 to 8 gallon bag, enabling use anywhere, whether camping, hiking, or traveling by RV. This portable toilet also features a retractable toilet paper holder, ensuring convenience without sacrificing space, and a handle at the back for easy transportation. Its multifunctional design allows it to serve as a stool, storage box, trash can, or even a vomiting bucket, making it highly adaptable to various outdoor scenarios. The package includes 1 folding camping toilet, a waterproof storage bag, and 12 disposable toilet bags. PAHTTO also provides a 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Overall, this portable toilet combines comfort, durability, and versatility, making it an excellent companion for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize hygiene and convenience. It is a practical, reliable, and well-designed solution for any adventure. Number 4. The Eioatl portable toilet is an outstanding solution for anyone seeking comfort, convenience, and durability during outdoor activities or travel. This upgraded camping toilet features a 12-inch elongated bucket seat, providing a higher and wider surface that mirrors the comfort of a home toilet. Its spacious design ensures a relaxed experience for both men and women, making it a reliable option for adults and children alike. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, this portable potty is remarkably sturdy yet lightweight, weighing only 4.8 pounds while supporting up to 450 pounds. This impressive load-bearing capacity guarantees stability and long-lasting use, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Its solid construction ensures confidence and safety during use in any environment. The Eoatl portable toilet also includes practical features such as a detachable phone shelf and a standard toilet paper holder. The shelf accommodates most phone sizes, allowing users to stay connected, while the toilet paper holder ensures convenience during use. Assembly is simple and can be completed in 30 to 60 seconds, making it perfect for emergencies or quick setups. The included disposable waste bags support 11 to 13 pounds, and a waterproof storage bag allows easy transport in vehicles, backpacks, or luggage. Beyond its primary use as a portable toilet, this product offers multifunctional applications. It can double as a stool, trash can, or even a vomiting bucket, adapting to a variety of outdoor and travel scenarios. Perfect for camping, hiking, boating, road trips, and emergency situations, the Eoatl portable toilet delivers comfort, versatility, and practicality, making it a valuable companion for any adventure. Number 3. The Boreeman Portable Camping Toilet is an excellent solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort, convenience, and durability. Crafted from modified polypropylene and featuring a patented fish scale structure, this foldable toilet provides remarkable strength and rigidity. Additional strengthening ribs enhance its durability, allowing it to support up to 400 pounds. This makes it a dependable choice for both adults and children during camping, boating, road trips, or emergency situations. One of the most notable features of this portable toilet is its adjustable height, which ranges from 2.95 inches to 13.58 inches. This flexibility ensures that it can accommodate users of varying needs, providing a comfortable and ergonomic experience. Despite its robust construction, the Borman toilet is highly portable. It folds down into a compact disc, takes up minimal space, and comes with a convenient carrying handle for easy transport. Its multifunctional design allows it to serve as a stool or a trash can when needed, adding versatility to its use. Ease of use is another advantage. Thanks to the fish scale design and high-precision manufacturing, the toilet stretches and retracts smoothly, allowing setup or folding in just seconds. Safety and stability are ensured by 10 rubberized non-slip feet, which provide a secure base even on uneven surfaces. The package includes 1 portable toilet, 10 disposable toilet bags, and a waterproof storage bag, making it ready for immediate use. Overall, the Boreeman Portable Camping Toilet combines sturdiness, convenience, and versatility, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures or any situation requiring a portable hygiene solution. Number 2. The Hapoon Portable Camping Toilet for Adults is a reliable and practical solution for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize comfort, convenience, and hygiene. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, this portable toilet is sturdy and durable, supporting up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for both adults and children. Its robust build ensures long-lasting use, whether on a camping trip, boating excursion, or long road journey. This portable toilet stands out for its extra-large design, measuring 14.57 inches long, 11.32 inches wide, and 14.17 inches high. The higher and wider seat provides a more comfortable experience compared to standard portable toilets, ensuring ease of use for extended periods. Its folding design allows for quick setup and takedown in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for travel. The toilet is lightweight and space-saving, allowing for easy storage in a car, RV, or backpack. The Hapoon toilet is multifunctional and versatile. With its lid, it can serve as an outdoor toilet, an indoor toilet for the elderly, a stool, a storage box, a trash can, or even a vomiting bucket, adapting to a variety of needs during outdoor activities. It is compatible with any 8-gallon disposable bag, simplifying cleanup and maintaining hygiene. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, camping, boating, fishing, or long road trips. This portable toilet combines comfort, sturdiness, and practicality. Its thoughtful design and multifunctional features make it an excellent companion for outdoor adventures, ensuring a hygienic and stress-free experience no matter where you are. Number 1. The Sckee Camping Toilet is a premium solution for outdoor enthusiasts who require comfort, convenience, and durability on their adventures. Constructed from heavy-duty ABS plastic, this portable toilet supports up to 450 pounds, while offering a contoured, ergonomic seat designed to eliminate thigh pinch. The 12-inch extra-long seat hole, 20% longer than older models, accommodates a wide range of body types, providing a level of comfort comparable to a home bathroom. It is compatible with 12-gallon waste bags, making cleanup efficient and practical. Portability is a key feature of the Sckee toilet. It folds down to 14.1 by 12.6 by 2.7 inches and weighs only 4.4 pounds, which is smaller and lighter than many standard backpacks. A compact storage bag is included, making it easy to carry and store in cars, RVs, or tight spaces. Its lightweight, foldable design is ideal for camping, hiking, boating, fishing, long road trips, traffic jams, or van life, ensuring comfort is always accessible. The toilet is easy to use and maintain. Its stain-resistant, odor-proof plastic surface wipes clean effortlessly. The stay-up lid functions like a household toilet for familiar comfort, and included biogel solidifies liquid waste for simpler disposal. The built-in tray holds items such as phones, wipes, or flashlights, while the universal toilet paper holder keeps rolls accessible and dry. The package includes 1 portable toilet, a detachable phone tray, a built-in toilet paper holder, a roll of 12 waste bags, 12 portions of solidifying gel, a compact storage bag, and instructions. The Sckee Camping Toilet delivers exceptional comfort, versatility, and practicality, making it an essential companion for any outdoor activity. Thank you for watching our guide to the best portable camping toilets in 2026. We hope this video helps you choose the perfect option for your outdoor adventures, keeping comfort and hygiene a top priority. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tips. Explore the links in the description to grab your ideal camping toilet today and make every trip easier.